Science has shaped our world, but behind many of its greatest breakthroughs are remarkable women, whose names often go unheard. From unraveling the mysteries of DNA and discovering life-saving medicines to exploring space and pioneering computer science, these women broke barriers, challenged stereotypes, and changed history forever. Today, we're celebrating 10 extraordinary women scientists whose passion, intelligence, and courage transformed the world and continue to inspire future generations. Number 1. Rosalind Franklin, 1920 to 1958. The unsung hero of DNA. Rosalind Franklin was a pioneering scientist, one of the first to uncover the structure of DNA. Using X-ray crystallography, she captured the iconic Photo 51, a striking image that revealed DNA's double helix shape. This photograph became the key evidence that Watson and Crick used to build their famous model. Though her work was not fully recognized during her lifetime, Franklin's research laid the foundation for modern molecular biology. She was, without a doubt, the woman who cracked the genetic code. Today, she is finally honored as a founding figure in science, a brilliant mind without whom our understanding of DNA and inheritance would be completely different. Number 2. Katherine Johnson, 1918 to 2020. Breaking barriers with numbers. Katherine Johnson was a brilliant mathematician who made space travel possible for NASA.
Address on the shuttle as it goes transonic.
She worked during a time when technology was limited and racial discrimination was widespread. She calculated the flight path for Alan Shepard, the first American in space, and when John Glenn was about to launch, he said, "Let Katherine check the numbers first." Katherine also did the math for the Apollo 11 moon landing, all without modern computers. Her intelligence, dedication, and quiet strength earned the trust of NASA. And in 2015, she was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Katherine Johnson proved that with knowledge, hard work, and courage, you can reach the stars. Number 3. Ada Lovelace, 1815 to 1852, turning numbers into imagination. Ada Lovelace was a visionary mathematician who lived in the 1800s, long before computers existed. She worked with Charles Babbage on his design for the analytical engine, a mechanical, general-purpose computer. While others saw just numbers, Ada saw potential. She wrote what's considered the world's first computer program, instructions the machine could follow. She even imagined machines creating music or art, something no one else had thought possible. In a world that didn't expect women to lead in science, Ada Lovelace imagined the future and became the world's first computer programmer. Number 4. Marie Curie, 1867 to 1934. The woman who changed science forever. Marie Curie was one of the most remarkable scientists in history. She wasn't just the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. She's still the only person ever to win Nobel Prizes in 2 different sciences, physics and chemistry. Her groundbreaking research on radioactivity changed the world. Because of her work, we have X-ray machines, cancer treatments, and even nuclear energy. She carried out much of her research in incredibly difficult conditions, often putting her own health at risk. Marie Curie didn't just break scientific ground. She broke barriers for women everywhere. Today, her name stands as a symbol of brilliance, courage, and lifelong dedication to science. Her legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists around the world. Number 5. Jane Goodall, 1934, changing the world one chimp at a time. Jane Goodall's groundbreaking work with chimpanzees forever changed the way we understand animals and ourselves. For years, she lived among wild chimpanzees in Tanzania, observing their behavior up close. What she discovered shocked the world. Chimpanzees could not only use tools, but also make them, a trait once believed to be unique to humans. Her research shattered long-held beliefs about the line between humans and animals. More than just science, her work sparked a global movement for wildlife conservation and animal rights. Jane Goodall didn't just study chimpanzees. She gave them a voice, and in doing so, redefined what it means to be human. Number 6. Barbara McClintock, 1902 to 1992. Her discovery made DNA dance. Barbara McClintock was a pioneer in genetics, a scientist who saw patterns others had missed. While studying corn plants, she discovered something extraordinary. Genes could move. These jumping genes, or transposons, revealed that DNA isn't fixed, but dynamic, capable of changing within an organism. At the time, her findings were so radical, many scientists dismissed them. But decades later, her work reshaped the entire field of genetics and helped explain how evolution really works. In 1983, she was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, the only woman to ever receive it unshared. Barbara McClintock's discovery didn't just rewrite textbooks. It opened new doors to understanding life itself. Number 7. Rachel Carson, 1907 to 1964. The woman who gave nature a voice. Rachel Carson was a marine biologist and writer whose words changed the way we see the natural world. She's best known for her book Silent Spring, which exposed the dangers of pesticides, especially DDT, and how they were silently killing birds and damaging ecosystems. At a time when few questioned chemical use, her research sparked global concern and opened the public's eyes to the hidden costs of progress. Her work not only launched the modern environmental movement, but also led to major policy changes, including restrictions on harmful pesticides. Through her writing, Carson reminded the world that nature and humanity are deeply connected, and that protecting the planet means protecting ourselves. Number 8. Mae Jemison, doctor, engineer, astronaut, trailblazer. In 1992, Mae Jemison made history as the first African-American woman to travel into space. But her journey started long before that. She was a medical doctor, an engineer, and a woman with a deep passion for science and exploration. When NASA selected her for the crew of the Space Shuttle Endeavour, she broke barriers, not just in space, but here on Earth. Her achievements inspired a new generation of young minds to dream bigger, especially girls and students of color. She didn't just reach for the stars, she showed others how to get there. Number 9. Dorothy Hodgkin, 1910 to 1994. Mapping molecules, changing the world. Dorothy Hodgkin was a brilliant chemist and the first British woman to win the Nobel Prize in Chemistry back in 1964. Using X-ray crystallography, she revealed the structures of complex molecules like penicillin and vitamin B12, discoveries that changed the future of medicine. Her work laid the foundation for breakthroughs in drug development, and she remains a pioneer in the world of science. Number 10. Lisa Meitner, 1878, 1968. The hidden heroine of atomic science. Lisa Meitner was an Austrian-Swedish physicist who played a vital role in the discovery of nuclear fission, the process that powers both nuclear reactors and atomic bombs. Though the Nobel Prize was awarded solely to her colleague Otto Hahn, it was Meitner's groundbreaking explanation that made sense of the discovery. Despite the injustice, she never stopped contributing to science. Her brilliance, humility, and perseverance have made her a lasting symbol of excellence in physics. Today, she's honored as one of the true pioneers of nuclear science. From blazing trails in space to unlocking the secrets of atoms, these 10 remarkable women reshaped the world through science. Their stories remind us that science isn't just about formulas or facts. It's about vision, resilience, and the power to imagine a better future. As we look ahead, let their legacy inspire the next generation of thinkers, dreamers, and pioneers. Because the future of science belongs to everyone.